Let me tell you something the people are not going to have the guts to tell you. Your life is not magically going to get better. One day you're going to wake up and you're going to realize that nothing changed. You're going to have the same problems, the same excuses, the same habits. And it's not because life is against you, but it's because you keep waiting. You're waiting to feel motivated. You're waiting for the right moment. You're waiting to feel ready. And that right there is the reason why you're not making progress in your life. Most people believe that motivation is what's going to change their life. They think that one day they're going to wake up and they're going to have that fire and burning desire to do better. They feel like they're going to wake up and they're going to feel ready. They feel like one day they're going to wake up and they're going to feel unstoppable. But the thing is, that day rarely ever comes. I want you to really understand something. Motivation only lasts for a few moments. It doesn't last forever. Motivation shows up when you're watching a video. Motivation shows up when you listen to a speech. Motivation shows up when life punches you in the face. And then after that, after a few hours go by, after a few days go by, motivation is gone and you're now back a square zero. You're back at where you started, just you, and that is it. And when motivation does disappear, you go back to your comfort zone. You go back to wasting time. You go back to scrolling. You go back to doing the things that were keeping you stuck in the first place. And I'm going to be honest with you. Your comfort zone is dangerous. And yes, your comfort zone feels safe, but it's the same comfort zone that has you doing something that you don't want to do. It's the same comfort zone that has people staying at places or working at a place for 5 to 10, even 20 years when they don't like that place. It's the same comfort zone that has you doing things that you don't really want to do in your life. People say they want change, but they don't want to do the things that actually create that change. But my friend, there is hope. Discipline. Discipline doesn't care about your feelings. Discipline cares about your action. And the people that built a life that they want to live, and they're living the life of their dream, are not the most motivated people out there. But they're the most disciplined people. They do the things that they don't want to do. They take action on those boring days that you struggle with. They take action when no one is watching them. So if your life has not been improving, I want to ask you one honest question. Have I actually been taking action, or have I just been waiting to feel motivated? Because your future is not going to be built on motivation. It's going to be built on the small actions that you take every single day. Start small, wake up early, move your body, and work on your goals for 1 hour. Stay consistent, do it again tomorrow, and do it again the next day. Because real change is not going to happen in one single night. It's going to happen in the small things that you do and the small actions that you take every single day. And honestly, if you stay consistent and if you stay disciplined and if you keep at it long enough, one day you're going to wake up and you're going to look around and you're going to tell yourself, wow, I actually did it. I changed my life. I changed my environment. I actually built the life that I wanted to build. And that there is some real good news. And that there is what I hope you are able to accomplish down the road. So if you've made it to this point of the video, please like, subscribe, share it to a friend, and put down in a comment if there's anything that really touched you or there's anything that really helped you out in this video. And any feedback is always appreciated. Again, thank you so much for watching. I will keep you in my prayers, and God bless you. Peace.